Hello store owners! Today I'm going to show you how to make a coupon that only your wholesale customers can use. Right now, I'm browsing my shop as a wholesale customer, so I can see my wholesale pricing on every product here. What I want next is a coupon that gives these customers an extra discount on top while locking everybody else out. Over in my store, I'll start a brand new coupon. Advanced Coupons asks me how I'd like to build it, so I'll choose to create it manually. I'll name my coupon code Wholesale15. Then I'll set the discount type to a percentage discount and make the amount 15. Now here's the part that matters. I'll open the Role Restrictions tab and switch on Role Restrictions. I'll leave the type set to Allowed, which means only the roles I pick are able to use this coupon. Then in the User Roles field, I'll choose Wholesale Customer. And finally, I'll publish my coupon. Let's head back over to my Wholesale Customers cart, where they've already got a few items waiting. I'll open up the coupon field, type in my new code, and hit Apply. The cart just needs a moment to recalculate. And there we go. 15% has come straight off on top of the wholesale pricing these customers already get. But what happens when somebody who isn't a wholesale customer tries that very same code? Here I am on my own store owner account looking at plain retail prices. I'll drop that coupon in and hit Apply. An advanced coupon stops it right there. You are not allowed to use this coupon. That is all it takes to make a coupon that's exclusive to your wholesale customers. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.